Welcome everyone. In today's video, I will be demonstrating a snow paw nail art technique. Let's walk through the process step by step. Begin by applying the first layer of gel polish and cure it for 30 seconds. Follow up the second layer of gel polish, curing it for a full 60 seconds. Now it's time to introduce the snowy element. After putting the black gel layer and curing it, it's time for the snowy part. Put a thick layer of white gel polish without drying it. Right away use white acrylic powder. Place a tissue under the nail to catch extra powder. As you apply the acrylic on the wet gel, any extra falls on the tissues, making it easy to tidy up later. This step creates the textured snowy effect for your nail. Using a dotting tool, craft a triangle, add 4 dots to shape the dog's paw. Gently drag upwards to complete the paw design. Repeat this easy technique for the second design. Creating adorable dog paws is straightforward and fun. Observe the beauty of the final design. If you found value or learned something new in this video, please show your support by liking, sharing and subscribing for more nail art tutorial updates on my channel. Thank you.